Barkeeper's Friend soft cleaner. I have not used this before, but I did use the powdered one. I did use the cleanser, which is also the Barkeeper's Friend cleanser, to clean bottom of a pan. It did work. It just took a little bit longer to clean it, so that really worked. I'm going to try the soft one also on this stainless steel to see if this really works. As it says good on stainless steel and also on ceramic. You can also use it on tiles, also on copper and porcelain. So those are the things you can use it for. It's good for your cookware, and you have your bathroom sinks and then toilets, also your kitchen sink, and then also you can see an oven there, so that can be good for that as well. It says it removes rust, lime, stains and tarnish, and so we are going to use this to see. And on here it tells you how to use it. We have to shake this well before using. You squeeze this to the wet surface and then use a damp sponge and then do the rest, and do the cleaning. So, and that's what we are going to test this on. I'm going to see if this really works. So